Everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make epic chocolate smoothie. The first thing you'll need is some chocolate milk. Pour that in.
I'm holding the camera with one hand. The other hand, I have this ice cream. Might be a little wobbly.
Okay. You want to that. And ice cream. And finish it all off. Something healthy. A banana or two. Okay. One banana. Another banana.
Let's just do one banana.
One banana. Okay, and then put the lid on.
Here's the loud part.
Wait, I'm not done yet. I gotta plug this in.
Oh, cool.
Just gonna unplug this. Papa, time
Wait.
for dessert. Let's put it at 3 for now. Well, no, start off 1 and then go all the way up. It's very loud. Okay, now to make a smoothie, let's add a couple of things of ice. Oh, my knee. Ooh. Okay. Lid on. And turn it on. Tell me more, tell me more. That sounds good. Okay, and that's how you make ultimate chocolate diabetes smoothie. Bye-bye.
You gotta drink it.
Okay. I was waiting for you.
Like you're frozen in time.
Yeah.
You're like, and then you never stop moving. It's like, well, you gotta drink it first.
Okay.
You know, how does it taste? You can't just show people how to make something and then have it taste
I
like
can.
glue.
That's what people do. Sorry, kids, to ruin your dream. Oh, grody. It's everywhere.
Nobody has that anymore. It's not 1986.
Okay.
It's 2019.
Yeah. Ooh, I can hear it.
Ooh. Looks like you squished a bunch of Oreos.
Yeah. That's what's in it. Oreos.
Oh, yeah, you got the Oreo blizzard.
And hot chocolate blizzard.
Right, you got the Oreo blizzard.
Mmm. It's like diabetes.
So, wait, how does it taste?
Icy, chocolatey, banana-y. Healthy. That is the best thing I tasted in the world so far today.
Sounds the best.
If it's a hot summer day, don't blend up the ice too much, because I didn't blend it up good enough. So wait.
You have to crunch on it a little bit.
Ice. Well, hope you enjoyed the how-to. Bye.